Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn with Alpesh. Today again we are here to have a test of you all people in objective. Chapter is manufacturing industries. So here are the questions. The answers will be revealed at the end of this chapter, end of this test. So make sure do not see those answers first. You just simply attempt the test by the way I have given you in the previous classes. The first question is iron and steel industry is A. Basic industry, B. Agro based industry, C. Consumer industry, and D. IT industry. Question second says which is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods in the world? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, and D. China. Most of the sugar mills are located in the states of A. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, B. Bihar and West Bengal, C. Punjab and Haryana, and D. Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Question number 4. Which is called the electronic capital city of India? A. Mumbai, B. Bengaluru, C. Kolkata, and D. Chennai. Question 5th. Which one is a consumer industry? A. Sewing machine, B. Iron and steel, C. Copper smelting, and D. Aluminium smelting. Next question is 6th. Limestone is the basic raw material for which of the following industries? A. Iron and steel industry, B. Fertilizer industry, C. Cement industry, and D. Automobile industry. Just read the question and attempt the answer. Question 7. Which of the following is a joint sector industry? Option A. BHEL, B. SAIL, C. TISCO, and D. OIL. Next question, question number 8. First place in the world in the production of gur and khan sari is A. China, B. India, C. Brazil, and D. Sri Lanka. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following is not a mineral based industry? A. Iron and steel, B. Aluminium, C. Sugar, and D. Cement. Question 10. The major solid waste in India are A. Fly ash, B. Phosphogypsum, C. Iron and steel slags, and D. All of the above. 11. Which is the only industry in India which is self-reliant? A. Textile industry, B. Iron and steel, C. Electrical, and D. Sugar. Next question 12. Which smelting industry is the second most important metallurgical industry in India? A. Iron ore smelting, B. Aluminium smelting, C. Copper smelting, and D. Lead smelting. Question 13. Oil India Limited belongs to which of the following types of industries? A. Public sector, B. Private sector, C. Joint sector, and D. Cooperative sector. Question 14. The first jute mill was set up near Dash in 1855. A. Kolkata, B. C. Bengal, B. Gujarat, and D. Bihar. Next question 15. After the Green Revolution, Dash industry expanded to several other parts of country. A. Cement, B. Automobile, C. Fertilizer, and D. Cotton textile. 16. Manufacturing activities are part of which of the following sectors? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Tertiary, and D. None of these. Iron ore, coking coal, and limestone are chief raw material of Dash industry. A. Steel, B. Cement, C. Sugar, and D. Fertilizer. Question number 18. Which industry provides employment to weavers at home as a cottage industry? A. Silk, B. Jute, C. Handspun khadi, and D. None of these. Question number 19. In what ratio are iron ore, coking coal, and limestone requires to make dash steel? A. 4 ratio 1 ratio 4 ratio 1 sorry Option A 4 ratio 2 ratio 1. Option B 4 ratio 1 ratio 2. Option C 4 ratio 3 ratio 1. And option D 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. The last question on your screen. Which one of the following groups of factors is a prime group for the location of aluminium smelting plant? Option A, capital and market. B, raw material and electricity. C, labor and raw material. And D, capital and transport. So these are 20 questions, and I'm sure you must have mentioned the answers on a blank paper. And now it's time to reveal the result, and here is the answers. Just note this down and simply give yourself 1 mark for one right option and 0 marks for wrong answers. And those which are wrong, just correct them. So here are some questions on consumer rights. There are 20 multiple choice questions for your test. Let us start the test. Question number first. Consumer right includes A. Right to representation, B. Right to seek redressal, C. Right to choose, and D. All of the above. Find your actual answer and mark it. 2. Sellers or shopkeepers exploit the consumers by A. Charging high price, B. Adulteration, C. Giving less weight, and D. All of the above. Third, Consumer Protection Act was passed in 1985, 1986, 1996, and D. 2006. Fourth, the duty of a consumer is A. To check maximum selling price, B. To check date of manufacturing, C. To check the quality of product, and D. All of the above. Fifth, to settle consumer disputes, the following are set up under COPRA, COPRA at A. District level, B. State level, C. National level, D. All of the above. 6. The root cause of consumer exploitation is A. Illiteracy, B. Rich, C. Helplessness, D. All of the above. Question number 7. When did the right of information come into force in India? A. 2002, B. 2005, C. 2014, and D. 2019. Question 8. Considers cases related to claim up to 20 lakh. A. National Commission, B. State Commission, C. District Commission, and D. None of the above. 9th, when is National Consumers Day celebrated in India? A. On 5th October, B. On 24th December, C. On 30th January, D. On 15th April. 10th, which of the following ensures high quality? A. ISI, B. Agmark, C. Hallmark, and D. All of the above. 11th, the market requires rules and regulations for the customers. A. For consumers protection, B. Consumers exploitation, C. Consumers attraction, and D. For consumers unfair behavior. The next question number 12. Consumer movements in India are called A. Consumer Groups, B. Consumer Forum, C. Consumer Protection Council, and D. Both B and C. Question number 13. A chemist sold you a medicine of expiry date. Under which consumer right you can approach the consumer court? A. Right to safety. B. Right to education. C. Right to information. And D. Right to equality. Next question. About dash 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 consumer groups are well organized and recognized for their work in India. A. 10 to 20, B. 30 to 40, C. 50 to 60, and D. 100 to 120. Question number 15. MRP on product represents A. Minimum retail price, B. Maximum retail price, C. Minus retail price, and D. None of the above. Question number 16. In 1985, adopted the UN adopted the UN guidelines for consumer protection. A. World Trade Organization, B. United States, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. Question number 17 on your screen. The national level court deals with consumer disputes cases involving claims exceeding A. Rupees 1 crore, B. Rupees 5 crore, C. Rupees 10 crore, and D. None of these. 18th question. Which one of the following does not provide certificate of standardization in India? A. ISI, B. AgMark, C. Hallmark, and D. COPRA. Next, 19th question. The consumers have the right to seek redressal against A. Fair trade practices and exploitation, B. Quality and quantity, C. Unfair trade practices and exploitation, and D. None of the above. Last question. The consumer movement dependent in organization form in India, organized form in the A. 1940s, B. 1950s, C. 1960s, and D. 1970s. I'm sure you must have written or you must have locked all the options, whichever you find is correct. And now it's time to reveal the answers. And here is your answer sheet. Just match the answers, give yourself marks, and check yourself. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.